See how your small dog's favorite Pedigree tender bites are crafted with care, from farm to their food bowl. It all begins with meticulously sourced ingredients. We select high-quality meats, wholesome vegetables, and essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring every component meets our strict standards for freshness and nutritional value. Next, these fine ingredients are carefully measured and blended in precise proportions. This ensures a balanced and consistently delicious meal for your furry companion. Our unique cooking process is designed to lock in flavor and nutrients while ensuring maximum digestibility. The meat and vegetables are gently cooked, preserving their natural goodness. Then, the magic happens. The cooked mixture is expertly formed into our signature tender bites, perfect for little mouths. These bite-sized treasures are then gently filled into our cans. Preserving their freshness and aroma, each can is sealed hermetically to maintain quality. Safety and quality are paramount. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing. Our team of experts checks for microbiological safety, nutritional accuracy, and of course, taste. We analyze the texture, appearance, and overall palatability to ensure that every can of Pedigree small dog tender bites meets our high standards for your dog's enjoyment. From farm to your dog's bowl, Pedigree small dog tender bites are made with dedication and expertise, so you can be confident you're providing a meal full of flavor and essential nutrition.